नाजरीन, अभी आपको बराह रास्त ये चलते हैं जहाँ पर मरियम औरंगज़ेब तकरीब से खिताब कर रही हैं।
हेल्थ ऑफ सोसाइटी लेंस। तो जितने यहाँ मीडिया के रिपोर्टर्स यहाँ मौजूद हैं, द रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स फ्रॉम मीडिया ऑल्सो फ्रॉम द सिविल सोसाइटी एज वेल, आई थिंक वी ऑल शुड वर्क टुगेदर. We should work as a complete ecosystem because this has a complete supply chain, and each one of you can play a very, very important role, starting from the families, the parents, the universities, the society, and then as a nation also. We need to be more sensitive to the issue, and I am of a firm believer that when we all will come together, all the representatives of the societies, all the stakeholders, we will reap benefits from this risk to resilience manual. To the students also, I think the courage is not and the risk is not in testing this substance use, but also with confidence saying no to it, and something that can really affect your potential in a positive and in a negative way. So once again, I think congratulations to Moeed, to all the stakeholders, to all the team members of the Beacon House National Universities, and also the other universities who are sitting here today with BNU faculty as well, because as Moeed was saying, the teachers, my son, he's 14 years old, and he performs best in the subjects that he likes the teachers of. Like, he's done A stars in the subjects that he likes the teachers of, but he's done not good where he does not like the teacher. So teacher plays such an important role in shaping the mindset, the behavior of a student, and then of course it has other aspects like the substance use also. So your attention, your interest in how you deal with the subject really translates into the well-being of the society at large. And thank you everyone. It was a pleasure being at Beacon House National University. This was my first visit. I will come here again because there are lots and lots of other interventions that the Chief Minister is doing in terms of the scholarship program, which of course again Sikandar will let you know, the laptop scheme. But the new initiative of the Chief Minister is the film city and the cinema development across the province Punjab. So that's one area where BNU again can play a very important role, because I've heard that you have one of the best department around film and entertainment and media studies. So I will come here again. I've promised Moeed for that, and we will inshallah, because we are hiring for our film city also. The Chief Minister is actually investing into the capacities of media, film and entertainment also. So that's one area that we will work together again for that completely different ecosystem, but it's all about